The peace lily originates from the tropical rainforests of Colombia and Venezuela, a real shadow plant which loves a warm, humid environment. In 1870, the plant was introduced into Europe and has experienced a huge amount of development since then. In the 80s, there were a few varieties of the wallisii type. Now there are many cultivars. The peace lily has different meanings and symbolism in a variety of situations. It is most commonly a sign of peace, innocence, purity, healing, hope, and prosperity. It is often grown or gifted as a sign of sympathy, longevity, beauty, rebirth, chastity, or virtue. The peace lily is an easy to care for plant. It prefers a light position out of the bright sunshine. Give the plant regular lukewarm water. If the leaves are starting to wilt, the root ball has dried out. The plant loves a regular spray with lukewarm water as well as plant food. Regular removal of dead flowers is also recommended. To bring the plant into flower year after year, a winter rest period is necessary. In the summer, the plant can go in the garden or on the patio, but watch out for the bright sun. The plant has received extra attention over the last years through the NASA Clean Air Study. They were researching how to purify the air in space stations, and the peace lily turned out to purify air better than the average plant. Peace lilies companion plant well with croton, cordyline, dracaena, butterfly ginger, ferns, and caladiums. Although it is called a lily, the peace lily is not a true lily from the family. True lilies are highly toxic to cats and dogs, but the peace lily is only mildly toxic to humans and other animals when ingested. It contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause skin irritation, a burning sensation in the mouth, difficulty swallowing, and nausea, but it does not contain the toxins found in true lilies, which could cause acute kidney failure in cats and some other animals.